How to get coordinates on Google Maps. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and use GPS coordinates right inside Google Maps. Let's say you want exact coordinates for a specific spot. Just go ahead and click and hold anywhere on the map to drop the pin. If you look down at the bottom of the screen, you will see a section that says Nearby Address. This is a drop-down where you can see your coordinates displayed on the screen. An even faster way is to simply right-click directly on the spot you want. The very first option that pops up in that little menu will be your coordinates. Just click on those numbers and it automatically copies them straight to your clipboard. Now, what if someone gave you the coordinates for a location and you need to look it up? It's super simple. Just paste those exact number directly into the Google Maps search bar, and then you're gonna hit on enter. The map will immediately jump to that precise spot and show you exactly where it is. As you can see, it really is that quick and easy to find and search for coordinates in Google Maps. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.